Hey everyone, congratulations on getting set up with your SEO checklist from Authority Pilot. Our marketing platform is your go-to resource for access to SEO, PPC, link building, and content creation. In short, we're where your SEO journey takes flight. Today we're providing a quick run-through of the ultimate SEO checklist, your roadmap to online success. This resource documents everything that you need in order to champion your website's online presence, and you'll find access via the link below. So, what is SEO? SEO, or search engine optimization, is your secret weapon for top search engine rankings essential for standing out online. It's the art and science of aligning your site with search engine algorithms. It's a mid to long-term strategy to grow online visibility. Okay, let's dive in. The Ultimate SEO Checklist is organized in sections for one-time activities, periodic activities, and regular activities. It includes deliverable categories such as basic SEO, that's the groundwork for a search-friendly and user-focused website. Technical SEO optimizes the site's back end for better crawling and indexing. On-page SEO gets the most out of your content for maximum relevance and engagement. Link building strengthens your site's authority with quality external links. And finally, keyword research. That uncovers the phrases your audience is searching for. The checklist ensures nothing is overlooked. Along the way, you check off completed tasks, my favorite. And with each deliverable, if you're not sure about the meaning or intent of the item, you can learn more by launching access to the documentation in a separate browser tab. You can also mark the status of each as not started, in progress, needs review, and complete. There's a column to indicate the scope of work, and a column that indicates the impact of the task has on your overall SEO effort. Further, there are tabs along the bottom to select the platform you're using, WordPress, Wix, Shopify, as well as other. And with that, you're all set. There are basically two camps that people wanting the SEO checklist find themselves in at this point in their journey. The first are doers, looking for a resource that will help them methodically run through what needs to be done, in which case, have at it. The second group are explorers, perhaps not sure that they have the time or the bandwidth to do all of this themselves and are hunting for solutions. If that's you, book a strategy call using the button below and speak to an expert that will take into account your goals and help you map out a solution. Okay, before signing off, if you haven't already, familiarize yourself with the Authority Pilot website, including the extensive Academy content on how to grow your online fortunes. Also, watch for emails from us that will help guide you further along the path. And remember, your journey to the top of the search engine ranking starts here at Authority Pilot. Whichever path you choose, we wish you all the success in the world at achieving your goals and getting more traffic, more leads, and more sales. All the best.